Look, YouTube. Look at this line of cats. We got JoJo, we got Iris, we got Felix, we got Mello, we have Vincent, and outside we have George and the new random kitten that magically appeared in our yard, but luckily has found a sponsor in the form of George who's taking care of him. I'm not going to go out there because I don't want to scare the kitten off. George and the kitten are currently playing. I just dropped the box. Yeah. So we have more cats. My mom takes care of all the stray cats in our neighborhood because they all magically appear here. I'm doing air quotes right now, but you can't see that. A lot of them. So donate to my GoFundMe so I can help feed the cats, because she's having trouble feeding them with her budget, and I don't make really any money. But anyways, the camera might be a little crooked, sorry. But yeah, that's those cats, and there's more out there. I don't know, there's like 5 or 6 more out there somewhere. And we've got 2 more in the living room. These boxes fell over. So looks like Dave was drinking some stuff. And pretty much Mom gets all the cats fixed with help from friends and stuff, and I think she pays for some of it herself. But there's Pappy over there, is all wore out. That's his life. He pretty much just lives in his bed now. He's retired from being around bunches. And I don't know who else. I don't know where anyone else is. Peachy, the scaredy cat, is scared of only me. And other bunch of, he only loves my mommy. He hates everybody else. But he's not like evil towards us. He just doesn't like us. Of course, I'm getting a copyright because the TV's on. All right. That was that little weird video. Okay, bye.